Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to fix replay option missing on Instagram. For that, we need to go to Instagram account and here we need to tap on profile. After tapping profile, we need to go to three horizontal lines and go to settings and privacy and scroll down. Here we have the help center and report a problem, and I was reporting the problem of I was typing on help center, and here you can see that I have the options to report a problem. So here I was typing on report a problem and here clicking on report. So I was typing on confirm. Like this also we can report a problem here, the points of the Instagram support. So and here I was typing as no, this information was I was giving like this, and here it was given the option to do a message like this you can do. And here I was choosing the option of Android. Like this you can report a problem to fix the replay option on Instagram account. So I was showing the other option also. Here I was typing on, so here I was reporting the problem, and here I was clicking include and continue, and here I was giving my problem and what my problem is there on Instagram account. The problem is the replay option was missing on Instagram account, and I was giving that format and I was sending the message. Like this you can report a problem on Instagram account. Thank you.